Students, before giving the questions, I would like to tell you, already I have discussed with you the categories of the stories and poems. There are three categories: natural, unnatural and supernatural. This is a supernatural story of Oscar Wilde because there is a conversation between a statue. Statue means lifeless. A lifeless object, conversation between a lifeless object and a lively object, that is a bird, swallow. First of all, statue, that means a lifeless object, cannot speak, and swallow, a bird, also cannot speak. This is the species, cannot speak. So this is a sort of allegory. It comes under allegorical story. Bird is talking to the statue. That means Oscar Wilde, he has presented the characters of the happy prince, that is a statue, and the swallow, that is a bird. Bird is also talking to the statue, and a lifeless happy prince, a statue, is also conversing with the bird, swallow. So it is a supernatural story. But through the story, the author, he wants to convey a message of mercy, a message of compassion, a message of humanity, a message of selfishness. Why the message of selfishness? Because Happy Prince, he was selfish when he was alive. He was prince of the kingdom. He never realized about the outside world, what is going on amongst his subjects, the misery, the sufferings, the despair, the distress of his subjects, of his people. Because he could fulfill his desire, he was quite happy inside the palace with his kingdom. He was not aware about the fact. That is why he was happy. Nobody told him, nobody explained him, nobody conveyed any message or informed him about the condition, about the status of his subjects. That is why he was happy. That is why he was happy, because he was unaware about the reality, ever unaware about the phenomena of the poor people, phenomena of the miserable people, the people who were passing through various kinds of sufferings. And since now he has become statue, he is no more, he is a dead person. But now he could see the entire city, that means his kingdom, from such a height. He can see the miseries, the sufferings of his people, people of his own kingdom. So this message, that is the message of compassion, message of mercy, message of humanity, message of kindness, and message of friendship, message of helpful or help. Swallow is helping beyond his capacity. Swallow is helping. That little bird is helping. Though it is a supernatural story, but there is a depth in this story. It is quite visible, which Oscar Wilde, he has presented through the characters of swallow, a bird, and a statue known as Happy Prince. So guys, this thing I was wanting to tell you. Now, on the basis of today's lecture, today's teaching, please note down 5 questions. Question number 1. Why the prince was known as Happy Prince? Why the prince was known as Happy Prince? Question 2. How did Swallow come to know that the prince was crying? How did Swallow come to know that the prince was crying? Question 3. What was the happy prince's apostrophe S? What was the happy prince's first request to Swallow? What was the happy prince's first request to Swallow? Question 4. Which country the swallow was migrating? Which country the swallow was migrating? migrating. You know the meaning of migration? Question 5. To whom the swallow gave the first sapphire? To whom the swallow gave the first sapphire? S-A-P-P-P-H-I-R-E, sapphire. S-A-P-P-H-I-R-E. So guys, you find out all the words, whatever the words you feel tough. Note down, make a list, find out the meaning, note down the meaning in your copy, and whatever it is given in the glossary, well and good. If not, then you find out. You are the students of class 9, so you belong to senior class now. So that is why one by one the word meaning, because you are having book. Previously I used to dictate the word. At present you have purchased the book. Most of the students you have purchased, so you are having book. Underline all those tough words and side by side you note down the meanings and solve this question. All these questions, 5 questions, very simple. If you have heard my teaching, if you have listened to my teaching, my lecture minutely, or you have paid attention, so you will not have any problem to answer these questions. And the rest of the chapter in my next lecture, I will tell you, I will complete the entire story. So till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.